Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how I make this Fortunes Gujarati Khichdi. So let's begin. Wash the grain mix properly and drain water through a strainer to avoid loss of smaller grains. Put the washed grain mix in a large pressure cooker, add the masala mix along with 1 liter water and cook till you hear 3 to 5 whistles on medium flame. In a non-stick pan, add 2 tablespoons ghee and stir fry the veggies. Add a little bit of salt, mix and let it cook for a few minutes. Now add the veggies and mix well.